Welcome back. Spandan's 30 Days Art Festival has begun at Kala Academy from 23rd September. This one-month-long festival includes art exhibitions, Lifetime Achievements Awards, musical programs and many other entertaining programs. Organizers of Spandan are planning to launch their own website to showcase online art exhibitions.
It's a 30 Days Art Festival. Goa celebrates 30 Days Art Festival. And this show is a part of our festival. During the festival, we have 4 art exhibitions. And other than art exhibitions, we have many activities like Lifetime Achievement Award, Best Painting Award. We are honoring 7 groups of Goa who are working in the field of art, education, film, music, environment, and some other fields. We are also launching our website that is online art gallery to promote the artist so that we can sell some of their paintings through online. We have a music program with Naresh Madgaonkar and Jolene Dice on 30th September. It's a package of many activities together, a celebration that is art celebration.
Cocks and Kings gave an opportunity to Goans to experience signature dishes of Master Chef Ripu Daman Handa under Zyka Goa Ka. Ripu Handa is the winner of Master Chef India 2013 and was in Goa under Master Chef Travel Series organized by Cocks and Kings. The next stop is now Munnar in Kerala and later overseas.
You? What are you doing? There's a plan, right? Chicken curry.
Master Chef Travel is a concept that has been introduced by Cocks and Kings, wherein Cocks and Kings has merged with the Master Chef concept, and the tours organized by Cocks and Kings, whether it's overseas, all over the world, whether it's India, and the Master Chef winners of season 1, 2 and 3 join the groups where they do demos, they do culinary trips, they do competitions, and it's an interactive affair. We've done events in Switzerland, in Paris, in London, in Srinagar. Presently it's going on, of course, in good old Goa. And forthcoming events are in Munnar in Kerala, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Star Cruises in Singapore, and also Australia.
Students of Progress High School from Sakhali have qualified to play Subroto Cup football tournament. The tournament will be held in Delhi. Students selected for tournament were felicitated and the new jerseys were unveiled in a function held on Saturday evening at Sakhali. Meanwhile, Sporting Club de Goa held its annual grassroots football festival at Don Bosco High School on Sunday. Around 250 students participated in the camp.
So try to motivate yourself. Get the inner driving forces in yourself when you see the teams over there and come up to see that you are again champions at all India level. Performance is very, very important. Don't be cowards. Very, very important. So I wish you all the best to see that whatever the best of the training you give, best of the Goan football, please display in Delhi and be the champions. And even if you don't win, you should win the hearts of people and say Goans were the best players.
Try your level best to get something for your school, to get something for your academy, to get something for Goa or for India.
ती प्रोग्रेस हायस्कूलची टीम आसा त्याचबरोबर आमच्या खातीर एक महत्वाची गजाल आसा दिल्ली गावात आसलेली सिल्हा अकादमी खरें म्हटल्यार आमच्या साखळेकारा खातीर भूषण आसा.
Meanwhile, Sporting Club de Goa held its grassroots festival for football aspirants. Around 250 students participated at Don Bosco School ground.
The second time we are organizing the Sporting Club de Goa grassroots festival. The first time we held it last year when we inaugurated this ground on the 16th of August 2013. And this year we have decided to organize it for the North Goa belt first, wherein we are having over 250 children from all over Bardez and Ilyas, that is Siswadi. We also propose to have a festival on the similar lines for grassroots on the 16th of November for the South Goa kids.
Reporter Uday Parab and video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Kerala Sangamam or Onam is being celebrated at many places across the state on Sunday. The Kerala Sangamam aims to promote the socio-cultural traditions and the cousins of the Keralite community. The strength and success of Kerala Sangamam comes from the enthusiasts who volunteer their talent. Dinesh Karpe and Dattaraj Naik bring you the excerpts from the celebrations in Porvarim and Margao. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
Tumi Puritat Prudent. You're watching Prudent.